Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity CAD. This is SolidWorks exercise number 7 and in this exercise we will create this component. Choose front plane, sketch. Select a line, draw one horizontal line. The distance will be 180 mm. Select here. Again choose a line. From here select angle. The angle will be 60 degree and the distance of this line will be 180 mm. Select this point and drag over here and select OK. From here select OK. Again OK. Our line is now created. Let's offset these two lines. Select offset entities. The offset distance will be 15 mm. Select this line and this line. To select these both lines, check mark this select chain. Again select OK. Let's drag it over here. OK. Let's join these two lines. Select a line. Join over here. Again select this point and this point. OK. Now select fillet from here. Select entities to fillet. Select this line and this line. The fillet will be of 15 mm. Same will be here. And select OK. Now let's assign some dimensions to this sketch. So select Smart Dimension. Select this origin point. First let's drag it over here. OK. So select Smart Dimension. Select this origin point and select this point. This distance is 180 mm. Select OK. Let's drag it somehow over here. Select OK. Again go to Smart Dimension. Select this origin point and select this point. This distance is 180 mm. OK. Now assign another dimension. The distance from this origin point to over here will be 51.96 mm and select OK. So now our sketch is fully defined. Select Feature and select Extruded Boss Base. Drop down here and select Midplane. The distance will be 40 mm. On the both sides it will be 20 mm. So select OK. Now we have to create a hole over here. So again go to Sketch. Select Sketch. Select from here center line. Select this point and this origin point. Select OK. Select circle from here. Draw one circle of diameter 10 mm. Select OK. Select Exit. Now we have to cut a hole on this surface. So select Sketch and select this face. Select Convert Entities. Select this line and select OK. Now select a center line from here. Draw one center line from this center point. The distance will be 60 mm. Select. Now select a circle from here. Select the center point. Diameter will be 30 mm. Select OK. Now let's trim this portion. Select Trim Entities. Trim this also. Select OK. Now let's assign some dimensions to this sketch. Select Smart Dimension, select this point and select Origin. This distance is 120 mm. Select OK from here. Select this origin point and select this point. This distance will be 20 mm. OK. Now let's go to Extruded Cut. Let's rotate it to see a view. OK. Let's keep it as it is, blind and 40 mm. Select OK. Again select this face and sketch. Select Convert Entities. Select this edge and select OK. Again draw one center line. So select center line. Select this center point. It's not selected. Again go to center line. Select the center point. The distance will be 16 mm. And select. Now select a circle. Draw one circle of diameter 30 mm and select OK. Now let's trim this portion. Now let's trim this outermost portion. Select Trim Entities. Select this line, this as well as this. Select OK. Let's assign some dimensions. Select this point and select this origin point. Distance is 120 mm. OK. Again select this origin point and this line. This distance is 20 mm. OK. Now again go to Features and select Extruded Cut. Let's rotate it somehow. OK, perfect. Let it be as it is. Select OK. So now our 3D component is ready. That's all in this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you think that this video has given you some knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe us.